Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study how to differentiate with the help of the chain rule. Before, we studied how to differentiate function when we multiply it by a constant, when we add or subtract functions, quotient and product rule of the functions. Today is something new. We wanted to differentiate functions when we have one function inside of another function. Let's say we have function g of x inside of the function f of x. How to differentiate this? Well, this is the formula. First, we would differentiate outer function, function f, and we pretend that we don't see what's inside of this function, so we just rewrite whatever inside. And now we multiply by insider function and differentiating it. Let us do some examples. Let's say we wanted to differentiate x plus 1 squared. Of course, you wanted to open brackets and differentiate step by step, but what if you wouldn't be able to do that? So you see we have function inside of function here. First function is the power function, which is squared, and our insider function is x plus 1. So what we do, we differentiate in first function, outer function, pretending that we don't see what is inside. So inside for us right now, it's big X. How would you differentiate x squared? Well, it's just easier formula, right? It's just x to the power of n derivative, which is n times x to the power of n minus 1. So we pretend that we don't see what's inside, and we differentiating just capital X squared, which will give us 2 times capital X, so it's 2 times x plus 1. Once we differentiated outer function, now we can see, inside it's another function x plus 1. So we wanted to multiply all of this by the derivative of this insider function. Now we have to differentiate it. So x plus 1 derivative is just 1. We obtain 2 times x plus 1 times 1. Let us do more examples. Let's say we wanted to differentiate natural logarithm of x cubed minus 2x squared. Again, we have one function inside of another function. The outer function we see first is a natural logarithm. So we pretend that inside we don't see what is there. It's just capital X. Derivative of natural logarithm is just 1 divided by x, 1 whatever under logarithm. So again, first we differentiate outer function, which is 1 divided by capital X. So it's 1 divided by x cubed minus 2x squared. Once we differentiate outside function, we can go inside and multiply by derivative of x cubed minus 2x squared. Now it's only left to differentiate this cubic function. So we obtain 1 over x cubed minus 2x squared times, and derivative of this is x squared times 3 minus 4x. Now it's your turn to practice.